welcome back guys to the channel. And on this video we're basically going to be doing a live trading session on pound USD. Well, of course it's through the replay tool, but I'm going to break this whole trade down here with an in-depth concept of what we do at Green Pips FX. Now let me just cut it from there, and then let's have now our original setup, right? So first and foremost, we had price in this particular range here within the day. Now this doesn't mean that we're just gonna sit back and just look at the price while there are opportunities in there that we can catch and trade. So within today's market, this is what I saw. So first and foremost, we had this break here, the break of this low, a break of structure here, the break of this low that particularly formed this high, which broke this internal structure here. So with that break, we knew that this internal structure was pretty much bearish, right? And with this internal structure being bearish, then we needed to look for bearish opportunities to be able to position ourselves in this market. So what price did was, of course, come back up and mitigate this area here of supply, right? The last buy before the sell, right? Which is also our bearish order block. So price did that and then took off from there and then targeted the lows as usual. Now what we had next was this break here. So we had another break of structure to the downside to show us that this bearish trend, this it's an internal structure, so it's an internal bearish trend which is still continuing, right? And from that we had a particular high and a low. So from this high and low, that's our structural narrative, that's our structural story that this market is pushing bearish. So from there we needed to see an area that we could position ourselves in, and that area being, of course, the last buy to sell, which is also our supply, our area of supply, or our bearish order block. So we needed to see price heading back up there, mitigating that area, and after that mitigation, then we could position ourselves and target the lows, right? So with that being said, that's exactly what we did. So of course I'm a day trader, right? So I just waited for my session, which is the New York session, to open, and after the open of the New York session, I was left with this area here, this potential area here, just this particularly this wick here, the buy to sell. Of course that's an in-depth refinement, but the overall area was this, but I just refined to this area here based on my knowledge and my perspective. And of course, this is not financial advice of any sort. So with that form of refinement, and of course, I was looking to position myself in this area here and target this low, this low right here as as my template. Okay, it's not there, no problem. As my next liquidity run. So from there, I just dropped down time frames and then went to the 1 minute time frame to see what I was looking at. So this was the New York session open at 9:30 p.m. and what we had was this price move in here, which was pretty much still bearish at the moment. As you can see, we had a series of high highs and higher lows still being made. High right there. So let's play price out and see what happens. Boom. So price comes down and then takes out this low here, which is what a break of structure, indicating that this pullback, this intermediary uptrend, which is a pullback trend, has ended, and now price is reversing now to the downside and going with the overall trend. So of course price pulls back, but this was too minor of a pullback and I wanted to see something clean. So price breaks off again. Price breaks off again, right? As you can see with this break here, and now gives me a much cleaner structural play right there. With this break, just want to put this perfect right there. Boom, with that break of structure right there. And from this break, look at what we have, right? So the last up move, right? The last up move before the down move is where? Is this wick here, right? That even went beyond this previous high for liquidations, right? So this wick has a very great meaning. So basically this here was my overall POI, right? I was looking for price to come into here, mitigate this, and then leave. But for me, this was too much of a zone. So I just went down timeframes again to the 15 seconds chart. And in the 15-second chart, what I saw is, of course, this overall up move and being mitigated. So the last unmitigated part was pretty much this wick, right? This wick was still not yet mitigated. So that's why I refined it to this overall area here, and then just placed my sell order there and looked to protect myself just a little above this high here to allow for any potential liquidations that might occur. So from there, let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and see what happens. So this overall trade was particularly a 5 pip stop loss with a 50 pip take profit target at this overall low right here, right? This overall low right here. So to make it a total of 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, which is, you know, it's good, guys. So let's just clear that, and now let's just play price out. So price comes in, triggers my entry, and then starts playing around there. It of course it comes down, right? Price comes down right here with this break of structure here, right? Creates a new low, and of course I was looking for price to create a new high, which was below my entry position. And from that new lower high, if price could come and take out this lower low, then instantly my trade would go to break even. So let's see what happened from there. So price never breaks that low and then begins to form a sort of range, and then there we go. So price just comes here, creates this high, right? Comes down, takes out this low here, which created this high, and then pulls back, breaks again. So at this instant here, at this break here, right here, this break of structure, so this low is broken from this high, and then price comes back, creates a lower high which is below my entry position, and then breaks again, right, with this break of structure here. So at this instant here, at this break, my trade went to break even, and now I was just looking to hold the trade towards my take profit target, which was met pretty much fantastically. So boom, right there, there's my target being hit, securing 10 RR off of this trade, which just happened a while back. As you can see, if I just you know, this is current now price action, no replays. If I just cancel the replay there, so this is live price action. My take profit target was taken about 30 minutes ago, and you know, it's a beautiful trade, guys. I hope this video was very informative to you. I hope you guys, you know, pick something up or two. And of course, if you do want to learn this stuff in depth, then don't forget to hit us on Instagram at official Green Pips FX, and we'll be more than happy to receive you guys into our Green Pips FX community. Now, with that being said, guys, have a nice day, have a nice trading week, and of course, guys, stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye.